Okay, hi everybody. This is the Math 31 exponential and logarithmic functions review. This is question 1G. And I've got the log base 4 of x squared minus 3 over 5x plus 7. Okay, I could jump in right away and start taking the derivative of this, but I'm so lazy. I'm so lazy, and I can see right away here that if I just apply the rules of logarithms, that instead of like when I see this, I see a chain rule with a quotient rule inside it, and you know what? I just as soon not do that. And so I'm going to apply the rules of logarithms to take that division within the log and convert it into subtraction, which is a little bit easier to work with. Okay. Now, granted, I've got more terms, but the terms are much easier to work with. So now this is going to be y primed will be equal to, well, okay, the derivative of a log base 4 will be 1 over the argument, x squared minus 3, times the natural log of 4, because this isn't a natural log, this is a log base 4, multiplied by the derivative of the argument, which in this case will be 2x. Okay, minus, same sort of thing, 1 over 5x plus 7, again, multiplied by the natural log of 4, because the original logarithm here isn't a common log, and then multiplied by the derivative of the argument here, which will be 5. Now, not a whole lot that I can do with this to simplify it, but I'm really not overly motivated to do a ton here. But this is going to end up being 2x over x squared minus 3 times the natural log of 4 minus 5 over 5x plus 7 times the natural log of 4. Now, we might, in essence, put this together because I've got like common parts of that. So like our common denominator here would be x squared minus 3 times 5x plus 7 times the natural log of 4. Now, what that's going to leave me with up in the numerator, I have to multiply this expression here by 5x plus 7. So that's going to leave me with a 10x squared. Okay? Now, I have to multiply this, okay, by x squared minus 3. So now I'm going to distribute that through. It's going to be minus 5x squared. So 10x squared minus 5x squared will be 5x squared. I had to multiply this by 7, so this will come and become plus 14x. And then I had to multiply this by that negative 3, so this will become positive 15. Okay? And honestly, I think that's about as good as that's going to get. I don't think I'm going to be able to factor out either one of those. And so there's my derivative.